This is the Kessler Rock collection. It's made up of easy-to-build projects that require no cutting at all, including a raised planter, wall system, pillars, and a fire pit. All of these projects are sold separately and can be used on their own or combined together to create your own backyard oasis, like we've done here. Each of these projects can be built without cutting a single block, making them the perfect DIY project. It really is that simple. Just prepare and level the foundation per the instructions, or start on a stable and level patio. Then follow the detailed layer-by-layer instructions to stack and glue each layer of blocks until the project is complete. And that's it! Now let's take a closer look at each of the projects in this collection. First is the Kessler Rock Corner Planter. This is a multi-level raised planter that offers a variety of planting options. It uses two colors of our tumbled Belgian wall blocks to create the perfect focal feature, or works great to define any backyard space. The Kessler Rock pillars and walls combine together to work as a freestanding wall or a sitting wall. The wide caps offer the perfect surface to decorate with potted plants or to set your beverage down when you're enjoying your patio. The Kessler Rock fire pit is a great addition to any backyard. The square shape of the fire pit works easily into a patio design and includes the metal insert for years of enjoyment. Learn more about all of our no-cut projects or patio options at menards.com/block store.